As always, today I am here with another important video. In this video, I am going to share my experience with best mini exercise bike of 2023. Do mini exercise bikes work? Which are the best ones? I've done a lot of research, and put together a list of the best mini exercise bike of 2023 from trusted brands to help you decide. After extensive investigation, I discovered this stuff is profitable. People like you, if you are interested to know more about the price and other information, then without further ado, don't forget to read my description. Let's watch the video. Number 1. Your purchase includes Exerpodic 900 XL recumbent exercise bike with Pulse adult assembly required, tools provided. Exercise bike dimensions, 54L×22W×34H product weight, 74 pounds weight capacity, 300 pounds user height, 5'3", 6'6" seat adjustments, 5.3, 6.6 magnetic tension levels, 8. Large oversized seat cushion and backrest for users of any size. Easy to read LCD display indicates distance, calories burned, time, speed, and heart rate information. Recumbent stationary bike offers challenging cardiovascular workout while minimizing stress on your joints and back. Number 2. Digital monitor, stay on top of your fitness goals and progress. The digital monitor tracks and displays time, speed, distance, and calories burned, includes a scan function to rotate between all the metrics. Slip resistant, rubberized suction cups located beneath the stabilizers provide an anti-slip feature, so you can stay focused on your workouts. Magnetic, 8 levels of magnetic resistance provide variance to your exercises so you can switch up your workouts on demand. Dual function, pedal with your feet or your hands. Achieving a full body workout is simple, fun, and effective. Carry handle, the carry handle allows for quick and easy portability. Lift it onto your desk for a quick upper body hand pedaling session or move it around your home or office. Efficiency, the 7-inch stride enables a much more efficient workout than other mini exercise bikes with shorter strides. Non-slip pedals, the pedals include adjustable straps and doubles as handlebars for a full body cardio workout. Number 3. All-in-one cardio station, you don't have to switch among various cardio stations with the Marcy Mini Cycle. Perfect for your home or office, this exercise machine can be set under a desk to pedal with your feet or on a desktop to tone your arms. Adjustable resistance knob, designed for fitness enthusiasts of all skill levels, this cardio exercise machine comes with a manual tension knob that allows you to adjust the resistance and personalize your training according to your fitness level. Space-saving tabletop design, designed to let you experience comfortable and efficient training sessions, this cardio mini cycle boasts a compact and portable structure that allows you to train your arms or legs while sitting. Electronic LCD monitor, the NS909 cycle has an unobtrusive LCD computer screen that acts as an odometer to let you monitor the number of strides per minute, total number of strides, time elapsed and calories burned. 2-year manufacturer's warranty, the NS909 stationary cycle comes with a limited 2-year manufacturer's warranty to let you get the most out of your investment. This versatile exercise gear is sure to be an excellent addition to your home gym. Number 4. Sliding desktop, large, 24x16, fully adjustable desktop with tilt, forward, back, up and down adjustability. 7 angle adjustments from 0 degree to 30 degrees, 8 height adjustments from 36.5 to 41. Armrest. LCD computer. Holds up to 44 pounds. Smart Cloud Fitness, Bluetooth Smart Cloud Fitness with free My Cloud Fitness app available on iOS/Android to help tracking your workout results. 3. Workout goal settings Viaduct My Cloud Fitness app, time, distance, and calories burned. Oversized seat, patented larger LX13W, 3. 3 extra thick air soft foam cushion seat provides extra comfort for long session workouts using aerodynamic healthcare technology allowing air to breathe through the fabric. 3-angle adjustable backrest. 3-angle adjustable backrest provides comfortable back support while exercising. Infinite slider seat position adjustments. User height range of 5 to 6. Soft grip handlebars for pushing through intense workouts. 14 level tensions, 14 levels of smooth magnetic tension resistance to challenge yourself. Step-through design allows easy on and off the bike. A LCD computer displays distance, calories burned, time, speed, odometer, and scan. 250 pounds weight capacity. Note, this product is shipped in 2 boxes which might arrive in a few days apart. Number 5. Locking hitch insert fits either 1 1/4 inch or 2 inch receiver hitches. Quick install hitch secures and tightens rack inside of receiver hitch, includes 2 keys. Arms fold out of the way when not in use and rack tilts back when needed. Individual tie downs secure and protect bicycles. Accommodates a wide range of bicycle frame designs. Allen's warranty does not cover items purchased through third-party sellers. If you like the video, then please like, comment, and share it with your friends, so that they can also benefit from it. Finally, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the first notification of the next video.